Hello and welcome to my channel HO10 Universe and Dioramas. I am Ashim and you are watching Ashim's Model Railroad. Friends, as you know that I upload my videos on Thursday. So today is Thursday and it's 8 p.m. So it's time for my video. Friends, today I am here with something special. Today I will fulfill your wish. On my Facebook page, you asked me several times to demonstrate the process, the entire journey, that how I made my HO scale model railroad layout. But you know it's very tough to show you the entire process. So I am going to upload now a small video. You will see the entire process from the day 1 to today, how I made my layout. Friends, watch carefully. I hope it will be a great fun for you. And before that, if you are first time in my channel, please subscribe my channel and push the bell icon on, so that when I upload another new video on the coming Thursday, you will get the fastest notification, because your each subscription always gives me a lots of energy to do something better, to do something new. Friends, don't skip today's video. At the end of this video, I will tell you something. Today, I have bad news and a good news for you. So stay tuned up to the end. So friends, let's go towards my down memory lane. I cannot forget the day 1 when I just draw a sketch, a pencil sketch of my layout. And that was the day, that was the beginning of my new journey, my journey of model railroading. And the rest of the story is now in front of you. This was my journey. I hope you like it. And now, as I spoke before, that at the end of this video, I will give you a bad news and simultaneously a good news. Now, what is the bad news? The bad news is that I am dismantling my existing unit. Entire existing layout, already I have started dismantling. Already you can see that there are many more things already has been vanished from my layout. And now, why I am dismantling it? Because I am going to start a new and bigger layout, HO scale layout. Now, what is the good news? The good news is, when I start my new layout, I will upload each and every video for you, and each and every video will be your tutorial. From the day one of my new video, from the bench work, from the track planning, I will upload each and everything so that you can understand how I am making a layout from the zero, and also you can able to make in the same process in future. So friends, it's enough for today. Wait for coming Thursday. Until then, bye bye.